beginning a journey where sound itself evolves. It gradually expands into a rich, immersive experience. This is mono. A single point of sound coming from the center. There is no movement, no depth, just the pure essence of sound. In the early 20th century, sound was simple. From gramophones to radio broadcasts, everything was heard through one single speaker. Here, the world of sound is limited. Everything is anchored to a single point with no sense of envelopment. In the 1950s, stereo changed how we listened. Suddenly, music and soundscapes could dance between left and right, opening up a whole new dimension. Through reverb, space itself becomes audible. Reflections let you sense how far away sound is. By the 1990s, surround systems made their way into cinemas and home theaters, pulling audiences deep into rich, enveloping soundscapes. Now, we can truly place the listener in a vivid soundscape with sounds that envelop us, move around us, and constantly evolve. By adding speakers to the rear, the experience became more immersive. While the shift from stereo to surround may not have been as revolutionary as the move from mono to stereo, it dramatically changed how we experience cinema. But what if there were no limitations? A dimension where sound moves freely in every direction. Welcome to three-dimensional space. Here, objects move freely all around you. No boundaries, pure, immersive sound. 2012 marked the arrival of Dolby Atmos. With sound now rising above, it finally broke free into full three-dimensional space. We've moved through dimensions, and now we've arrived. The possibilities are endless. And remember, this is mono. Sound from a single direction. Now here's space itself. Welcome to a world beyond boundaries. Beyond Boundaries, a journey from mono to three-dimensional audio. Produced by Florian Grasselt, Josia Meyer and Fritjof Dück.